Hello viewers, today I would like to show you how to install and use Telegram on Android and iOS. Let's have a look and subscribe my channel for latest tech info. Open Google Play Store or App Store on your device. Search for Telegram and tap on Install on Android. After successful installation, tap Open to launch Telegram. Telegram, the world's fastest messaging app. It is free and secure. Now tap on Start Messaging. Allow Telegram to make and manage phone calls. Tap on Allow. Please confirm your country code and enter your phone number. Tap on arrow button to continue to the next stage. It will verify your phone number and you will receive a verification code. Enter the code and tap Next. Enter your name and profile picture. Tap on arrow button to continue. Welcome to Telegram. Start messaging by tapping the pencil button in the bottom right corner. Telegram needs access to your contacts so that you can connect with friends across all your devices. Tap Continue. Allow Telegram to access your contacts. Now you can select friend and start conversation. Tap on sticker icon and you can send emojis and stickers. You can also share photos, videos, locations or files through this app. And yes, lot of more updates are coming soon regarding Telegram Messenger. So remember to subscribe my channel to get latest tech info. That's it. Thank you for watching.